Are you tired of the 9-to-5 grind and looking for a way to make money online? Look no further, because with ChatGPT, the possibilities are endless. You can make thousands of dollars daily with ChatGPT by providing these services on different freelancing platforms like Fiverr, Upwork, Freelancers, and many more. OpenAI's groundbreaking ChatGPT language paradigm facilitates the production of high-quality content, the enhancement of customer service, and the generation of entire websites. By leveraging its sophisticated linguistic capabilities, ChatGPT can reduce the time spent in writing articles and blog entries. Envision yourself being able to save time and increase productivity while producing high-quality material for your website or for clients. Here are a few ways you can use ChatGPT to make money. Number 1. Generate content for websites. You may make excellent content for your own website or for clients by utilizing ChatGPT to write articles, blog entries, or product descriptions. More visitors means more potential earnings from ads and affiliate programs. For the more tedious parts of an essay, such as the introduction and end, ChatGPT comes in especially handy. First, you'll need to have access to a pre-trained version of ChatGPT. You can find pre-trained models on the OpenAI website or use the OpenAI API to access the model. Once you have access to the model, you can use it to generate text by providing it with a prompt. For example, if you want to generate an article about a specific topic, you could provide the model with a prompt like, "Write an article about the benefits of exercise." The model will then generate text based on the prompt you provided. You can use this generated text as the basis for your website content. Number 2. Write social media posts. Create interesting, on-brand social media posts with the help of ChatGPT. This can boost the number of people who see your social media posts and the amount of interaction with your content, both of which can raise your affiliate earnings or lead to paid collaborations with brands. For example, if you want to generate a social media post about a new product, you could provide the model with a prompt like, "Introduce our new product on social media." The model will then generate text based on the prompt you provided. You can then use this generated text as the basis for your social media post. Number 3. Create chatbox conversations. Conversations for chatbots, which can be utilized for customer service and engagement, can be generated using ChatGPT. The result may be happier customers and more money in the bank. You can use the model to produce text after you obtain access to it by giving it a starting point. You can give the model instructions like, "Have a conversation about the weather," to get it to start a conversation about a certain topic, such as the weather. Your query will serve as the basis for the model's text generation. The conversation with your chatbot can start with this pre-written text. Number 4. Create email campaigns. Email campaigns from subject line to closing may be written using ChatGPT, and the software can even generate the text for you based on your preferences. In addition, it can be used to create customized email content for the intended audience, which may increase both open and click-through rates. By giving it a topic or a prompt, it can generate writing for you. Give the model instructions like, "Write an email about a sale for our items," if you want it to generate a sales email. Your query will serve as the basis for the model's text generation. Email campaigns can start with this automatically created wording. Once the text has been generated, it can then be revised, formatted, and perfected for your email marketing effort. You have the ability to include media like photographs and links that are standard in email messages. At this point, your email campaign is ready to be distributed to subscribers. The text that is generated can either be used in its whole or divided up into subsections for usage in various portions of an email. Number 5. Create e-commerce product listings. In order to create engaging and factually correct product descriptions for online shops, ChatGPT might be employed. By giving prospective buyers more information they can trust, it can boost sales. Use a prompt like, "Write a product listing for a new pair of shoes," to train a model to generate a new product description. With the help of AI, you can get a catalog of goods. Number 6. Generate title description tags with ChatGPT. You can generate description and tags of YouTube video by simply using ChatGPT. Go to the chat and write, "Generate a title, description, and list of 10 tags for a video about using ChatGPT to create a series of tutorial videos to earn money through advertising and sponsorships." Number 7. Generating scripts for videos and audio content. To answer your question, ChatGPT can be used to create scripts for both video and audio. The model may generate text that can be used as the screenplay for a video or audio piece when given a prompt or set of instructions. The quality of the resulting script, however, will be reliant on the input and the particular use case. The generated text may also require tweaking before it is fully usable for your purposes. Start by providing a prompt to the model. Write a script for a 2-minute video promoting a new technology product that has just been released. The product is a smartwatch that has a built-in heart rate monitor and GPS tracking. The target audience is tech-savvy individuals who are interested in fitness and health. The model generates a script. Number 8. Content generation for books and ebooks. Yes, you can use ChatGPT to create material for books and electronic books. ChatGPT is helpful for authors and publishers since it can generate logical and fluent prose in response to a particular prompt or topic. The quality of the output text, however, will be determined by the nature of the use case and the training data used to train the model. The generated text should be checked for plausibility and accuracy before being published or distributed because these factors cannot be assured. Here's an example of how ChatGPT can be used for content generation for a book or ebook. Define the prompt or topic for the book. For example, a young adult fantasy novel about a group of friends who discover a magical world hidden within their own city. Provide the prompt or topic to ChatGPT along with any other relevant information or constraints. For example, desired length of the generated text. ChatGPT will generate coherent and fluent text based on the prompt and information provided. Here's an example of the generated text. Number 9. Content for newsletters and news summaries. Using ChatGPT to generate newsletter content or news summaries that interest the audience and prompt subscription payments is a great way to maintain readership and build a business. Clarify the question or focus of the news roundup. For instance, this week's major tech industry news summarized. Provide the prompt or topic to ChatGPT along with any relevant information or constraints. For example, desired length of the generated text, source of the news articles. ChatGPT will generate coherent and fluent text based on the prompt and information provided. Here is an example of the generated text. Number 10. Translation. If you want to reach out to a wider audience in more than one language, you can use GPT to generate translated copies of your material to sell. Getting text translated by ChatGPT is straightforward. Just tell it to translate the text that follows, and it will do so. You should specify the desired target language as well, but that's it. Here's an example of how that could look like. Translate the following text into English. ChatGPT translates the text and displays it as its response on the screen. Windows 11 is the successor to Windows 10.
That's all for today. If you want to learn even more ways to make money online, then subscribe to our channel and give this video a thumbs up. And then click here to watch this next video to discover even more ways for you to make money online. See you in the next video.